We are building a Ruga settlement in Ansocia Forest, that is our border with Katsina, and we have succeeded in curtailing the effect of bandits in that area. So we are building many houses, we are constructing a dam, we are establishing an artificial insemination center with veterinary clinic, and already we have started housing the herdsmen. So in fact, my advocacy is that we should abolish the transportation or the trekking of herdsmen from northern part of Nigeria to the middle belt and to the southern part of Nigeria. There should be a law that will ban, you see, otherwise we cannot control the conflict between herdsmen and the farmers, and we cannot control even the cattle rustling, which is affecting us greatly.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.